All right, I believe so. And I know it's in the shell right now inside studio because yes, we say we could use that one, do better introduction with the very man we did with me inside studio right now this morning. Man of different faces, I could talk so because the different characters where they play, sometimes you wonder, say, pros. How you dey be? Oga Williams, how you dey be? How you dey?
Morning, how you dey now?
He good. See as you just come for here now. People don't gonna say, now you, they put out all these kind of characters. Make we even start from this conversation because a lot of Nigerians go want to know how you take they create all these characters where they play. Shana, things where they see or how they be for you. How did they come to you actually?
I'm a creative. That's number one. So when I see something, I go try see how I want to take, personalize them.
Yeah.
And if they're funny for me, I know they put them out. So most of the times, more of the things where they put out now, cases where don't happen one way or the other.
Yeah.
And these are real life cases, But by the time where I don't take them, turn them, use some voice on them, it go they funny.
The one very key thing when you talk just now, I say if they funny to you, they put them out.
Yeah.
But sometimes people they talk say some of the ones where you go even select say then go make sense pass. No, can't make sense. But that never happened before to you.
Of course, a lot. In fact, you get one where you say, this one will get 1 million views.
You're going to want to say, wait till concern this thing.
So the thing, it depends on different people and, waiting people feel relate with at the end of the day. So for me, that is pretty much how it works,
But it's good. Well, Nigerians, and I don't see the man himself, Oga Williams Uchemba, there with me inside studio, we yarn some kind things this morning. And I know say, some people don't know say you be filmmaker. Some people say, okay, now just content creation they do, and you be actor because they see you for some kind major movies. And maybe we'll talk about that one before we enter your film. How you they say they just call you up, say, Williams, I get one role for you. Can't run am for because of the characters or the kind of personality where you don't be. Shey na so it always happen for you when they get these major roles where they act?
I don't do film industry for a long time. I don't do film industry for about 22 years.
Wow. You see, people don't know this one. 22 years.
22 years.
Wow.
Since I did small. So I don't do plenty, more than 60 movies.
Major.
Growing up. And I never go audition before. In fact, the first thing I do, now my family friend will come house. So I can't speak one English right here for television. I say, they speak better English. Oh. He can't carry me go shoot my first film, Journey of the Dead. That was way back 1999.
Wow.
With Uncle Pete, them and all that. So when I shoot and finish, I say, this boy good though. I'll give my second role, my third role. Now so we can't find ourselves.
Wow. And seeing that the way you enter the industry now, you don't penetrate because if they just see you for inside movie, people just know what to expect. Say, hey, wahala. Now, share that thing don't reflect into your personal life. Say you dey waka for road or you dey outside, people just look and say, oh, this guy go just make person laugh. How it don't be for you for personal?
For me, in a transitioning, I always say that I first see myself as actor before even comedian. Because an actor is supposed to interpret anything.
Any character, yes.
So for me, I don't dey used to people, something you don't do for 22 years is now in a part of you. So even when they're happy, you there for street. Person see you, they jump. The person don't know what they happen for your own life. So you just have to that moment, just smile, give them, can we take picture? Because that is basically what you owe your fans. So it's been good. It's been good.
So far, looking at the love we don't they get now. When you even start the movement, that's a long time. 22 years ago. You ever think, say, you go reach this point of where people go they really look out for you, looking out for the things where they do, your content, everything where they create. You don't expect, say, this kind of thing will come through for you.
Honestly, right from time, man, none of this was planned. I know wake up say, okay, in 10 years, that's where I go be. I began my own small personal plan, but one thing I find and say, God will create us. Even Bible talk and say, before you were born, I knew you.
Yes.
So when you submit yourself to God's plan and you trust every morning and you go guide your plan. If you're supposed to take left, something just say, take right.
Take right.
You know, when you take up, you go now know say, oh, that right, true, I'm supposed to take. So for me, everything where they play out, no be waiting me plan, say, okay, now so it go be. And I just, God putting out his own perfect plan in my life. that one no be say me I no get my own small plan, but if I get time I go still say okay, if na wetin you want make I do, you go execute them, and you know that is how it's been with me.
So far, and I don't hear them. Makes sense. Now, maybe we talk about your movie. Yeah, production things. You know, say to make film for this country not easy. Now yes, work from the expenses, everything. Maybe we will look at how this one takes start for you. Wait to make you even decide say you want to make this film.
Okay, Mambas Diamond. You don't take what on the plan do film. Okay. You know, but I not be one do them that time because I feel say as an industry, say we never did where I be one more good day in terms of even the craft, the script. You get when it be say if you watch Nigerian film, you could just see the same storyline for 10 movies. True. You go see one film where be say you could just be part 1. They will cut them to part 6. You know? So most times some of the people where they for the industry that time where they produce, they just did it for the commercial purpose. So how much have you made from this film? But now where we say they get the likes of them, Kemi Adetiba, AY, Mo Abudu, Inkblood, Jadel Shiberu. These are people where we say that they love the craft and they want to make good films. So Mambas Diamond, when I read 16 scripts before I see the script.
Where you want,
and why I pick the script now, you get infusion of everything. You get action, you get comedy, you get drama. But what is most important, you say, you get morals, you get lesson, where specific take out from at the end of the whole entertainment. Because the purpose of this platform now also to educate the society, you know, to teach. We get our own part to play, aside from government and the other areas. So now what thing we try to achieve with this movie.
All right, when I don't hear Mambas Diamond, we could check out the trailer. So we're going to understand what's in this movie, at least they about. Then we'll go fit talk to Williams a little bit more. Check them out. Wow, and I don't see sneak peek of the trailer, Nana Mambas Diamond, and the guy we run the matter day here with us, Williams Ochemba. Williams, as the matter take this, so we see say na very rich movie. I asked you when we did watch and say how many locations on I take. But you say 3 different locations. Yes. Lagos, New York, and Joburg.
Joburg, yes.
Wow. Now money be that too.
Be better money.
Now money be that. So you said the movie is out. It's out and it's coming out in the cinemas today.
Yes.
All right. So how people could check them out when they go?
Advanced screening was yesterday. Okay. But the official release is today nationwide. So any cinema where you go for Nigeria, as long as they're registered, if you watch the film.
Mambas Diamond. I see saying about Precious Stone. It's okay. I would wait to watch it. And I go come here, come give my own review when I see them also. But it's great say you decide to put this one out. So after this one, any other works will they expect, or this is not the focus for now? Will they push?
This is not the focus for now, but we get 2 more projects we want to do this year. Okay. The idea now to put out content where we say, if I say you watch that trailer, you go notice say if you put some Hollywood trailers and put them, you feel say okay side by side. And now what will they try achieve? Music industry to an extent don't achieve that. You see some artists they collab with international artists. And Nigeria, we won't say Nollywood. When you watch some of Nollywood film, you no go believe say except for maybe the people who did for inside the film because of the quality and everything we will put inside. You no go believe saying a Nigeria film as it be before where they watch
the regular one. What would they say? Nigeria film, that's where they be. But it's good say you don't decide to put out this body of work. And this one, I go urge everybody, I'm gonna go watch them. You don't talk, I'm saying they come out today. Go check them out. Now, Mambas Diamond, and now one and only our sweethearts. Ladies like this man. They believe and say, hey, come on, he's just very funny. He's just that kind of guy. When I see him, you will see him in a different light also for the characters where he play for there. As a matter of fact, Williams, thank you very much for joining us, Shao. It's too much. This one, you decide to join us to yarn this matter. Oh, it's Sunday. You see the trailer. You shock. I be, I take do you when you see her.
At the end of TikTok and say plenty action they inside the film. So therefore, maybe people just sit down, watch them, understand, say levels past levels of top production.
Necessary. And as matter take being, that's all we'll wrap up the show this morning, guys. And we appreciate everybody who tune in, will join us. We'll go do this one again same time next week, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. every day, Monday to Friday. We know they carry us for here, and now what will they do? My name is Edewo. Follow me on top of my social media platform at Edewo10. Make we do the matter as it be.
Also follow me at Only Sunday across all social media handles. Follow at La Porsche, and then always they give us the hair. We say, don't say they us, because they don't know they wear.
I'm not the hair. They give us hair.
Yes, at Only Sunday on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.